Hi, today we are going to discuss 5 tips that you can implement in order to qualify your MHT-CET exam. As you people know that MHT-CET is an entrance test that students give after grade 12th, especially in the Maharashtra region, after which they can get admission in any engineering college, technology college, pharmacy courses and other agricultural courses as well. So what are the things you can do in order to qualify your MHT-CET entrance exam? So here are the 5 important pointers that you need to check in before you start your CET prep. The first one is mindset. The second one is scheme and pattern. The third one is resources to use. The fourth one is methodology and studying. Fifth one is time management. Let us discuss these points one by one. The first one, as I said, is mindset. Under mindset, you should be able to answer some questions. The first one is, are you aware of the career opportunities that are available after grade 12th and after you qualify your MHT-CET exam? The second question that you need to answer is, do you have the clarity in your mind about the engineering courses, about the technical courses that are available after 12? And the third question, why are you appearing for this exam? Is it because your friends are appearing for the same, or is it because you yourself want to appear for it? The next one is scheme and pattern. Under scheme and pattern, you should be aware of the syllabus that is there for MHT-CET exam. You should also be aware of the marking scheme, whether negative marking is there, whether it is not there, and the previous year's question papers should be there with you in order to practice the questions and the MCQs. The third pointer is the resources. I would suggest follow these 5 tips under this. The first one is use your HSC board textbooks. The second one is you can use your target publication books in order to revise the summary of the chapter and also to solve the MCQs of that particular chapter. The third one is use free and paid mock test to practice the MCQs. The fourth one is buy crash course that are available online to practice. Fifth and the last one is try to clear all your doubts related to the chapters that are there. You can watch online lectures or you can attend classes. The next thing that I said was methodology and the study technique. Under this, I have 5 tips again. The first one is identify your strong and weak areas. The second one is try to maintain a balance between physics, chemistry, and bio, and physics, chemistry, and maths. Start by solving 30 to 40 MCQs in one day. Yes, you heard it right, 30 to 40 MCQs in one day, and you should upgrade it to 50 and then to 60, and lastly, 100 MCQs in one day. The fourth tip under this is practice more. Yes, even if you're not able to solve 30 to 40 MCQs, try to understand the concepts that are there and solve some questions based on that concepts. Last and the most important tip under this particular point is try to clear all your concepts from the HSC board textbook that you have. After that, solve all the index questions that are there in each and every chapter. Then go to the exercises section, solve all the exercises question, even if they are theory related. This you should practice when you're appearing for board exam. Simultaneously, you can give yourself a practice for your entrance exam. This ensures that you know the topic well and you can answer the questions on that particular topic. Last tip is time management. Under time management, I have 5 other pointers that you should check. The first one is use a proper time blocking method, like morning time you block for physics, afternoon time you can block for chemistry, and lastly, the evening time you can block for bio. This time blocking method will help you to save more time. Second tip is make a to-do list for yourself where you have other activities other than your studies, and include only those activities that are very important for you. The next tip is also include solving PYQs in your to-do list. Next tip is form an accountability group and make yourself comfortable studying in group as well, where you are discussing with your friends how much you have completed and your friends are discussing with you so that you are accountable to somebody. If you do not have any accountability group or accountability partner, you can talk to your teachers as well for this. Last tip is be positive and study smart. Remember these 5 golden tips. The first one is mindset. The second one is your syllabus. The third one is your resources. The fourth one is study techniques and methodology. Last one is time management. If you have any difficulty studying for MHT-CET, do message me. Thank you. Follow me for more study tips.